Good morning. We are walking the beach on Sanibel Island this January morning, trying to find some shells. It's pretty rough surf. Everything's broken. There's a goodie here or there. Ooh, there's a fighting conch. See if he's empty. He's empty. I'll keep him. There's also, as you can see, a lot of dead fish. It's not normal for Sanibel. It's just they're experiencing a red tide right now. And so if you hear me coughing, I apologize. I keep saying it in every video because I know with the pandemic, everyone's like, oh, you're sick. You shouldn't be traveling. I'm not sick. It's the red tide. It makes me cough. I have allergies, so it just makes my allergies a little worse. Alright, there's a whole bunch of shells up here. Let's see if we can find something good in this pile. Maybe. We'll see. There's some scallops. There's a jewel box. Oh, now my nose is going to start running. There's a nice big red scallop with a barnacle on it. That's pretty cool. Is that a rock or? That's a rock. Oh, it's a bummer. I thought that was sea glass. That was not sea glass. Thought it was, but it wasn't. Some birds up there. Are they gonna go around the birds or scare the birds? They're gonna scare the birds. $5 says they don't go around. Just walk right through the birds. They didn't fly away this time. I don't recommend walking through birds because if they do fly away, you might get a white souvenir. Sorry about that. There's not even any spirals this trip. Last trip I got tons of spirals. So peculiar. A nice orange scallop. I get that on camera? Yeah. Are you sneaking up behind me to scare me? No, I'm not impressed. Maybe high tide is better. I feel like maybe we find more high tide than we have been at low tide. There's all those birds. right, 1 more minute and then we'll turn around.
1 more minute, what?
1 more minute and then we will turn around. Lots of dead fish. What'd you say, honey?
I didn't see many dead fish up there.
Up there, no, but down here, a bunch of little dead fish. There's a kitten paw. All right, I think we're gonna turn around. Kind of hungry for lunch. We'll come back at high tide to see what the difference is. I just think that with this, it's rough. Everything's beat up. I don't know. I mean, we still found some shells. Not the best shelling walk ever, but we still found some pretty decent shells. So hope you all are having a wonderful New Year, and we will see you later.